beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Nereida and I love sharing everyday hair tutorials. So if you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this super cute side elastic braid that went viral on my TikTok. So I thought I would come on here and share it to give you guys the full tutorial. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off by just doing a deep side part in my hair. Then I'm going to take a section of hair from the front of my face, and then I'm going to take another section from the back of my head. I'm going to join those two sections together and make a loose ponytail. Now I'm going to flip the hair up and through the gap, and then I'm going to fluff up the edges of the twist. So again, I'm going to take two sections of hair, I'm going to join them together to make a ponytail. Now I'm going to flip the length of the hair up and through the gap to make a topsy tail, and then I will fluff up the edges. Here is an up-close shot to help you see a little bit better. I'm going to just flip the hair up and through that gap, tighten it a little bit, and then fluff up the edges. I'm going to repeat those same steps all the way down the length of my hair until I get to the ends. Now that I'm all done, I like to pull out the braid as a whole just to help blend it a little bit better. And this is the final look. And that is it for today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. We are on our road to 1,000 beauties, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and join this wonderful community. And give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Also follow me on my Instagram and TikTok to see some of my everyday posting and stuff like that. I will leave the links in the description box below. And until next time, you guys, bye!